And Hong Kong's Court of Final Appeal starts a 3-day hearing on whether 300,000 foreign maids, mostly from the Philippines, can apply for residency. Leo Gatdula reports.
Under Hong Kong's constitution, foreigners are entitled to permanent residency if they have lived there for an uninterrupted 7 years. But immigration law denies that right to foreigners who work as home helpers, most of whom are from the Philippines and Indonesia. The lawsuit was initially launched by Filipino maid Evangeline Banao Vallejos, who scored a victory in September 2011 when a lower court ruled that she had the right to seek permanent residency in Hong Kong. The Hong Kong government then won an appeal in March 2012 when the court ruled that the helpers' stays in Hong Kong are highly regulated. Shortly before today's hearing began, 7 from the group United Filipinos in Hong Kong Migrante displayed placards calling for inclusion. The group's General Secretary, Eman Villanueva, said he hoped the court would rule in favor of the domestic workers.
At the very core of this issue is equal treatment in Hong Kong. We've always asked why are other foreign workers in Hong Kong given the right to apply for permanent residency after 7 years, and why this same right is not given to foreign domestic workers.
But not all foreign domestic helpers would apply for residency, even if given that right. Filipino domestic helper Jovita Maborang has worked in Hong Kong for 11 years. Maborang considers Hong Kong a good place to work, but she ultimately wants to go back to the Philippines.
And then a lot of Filipino like to stay here because our salary is quite high. And then maybe about the residency, maybe I prefer to go back to home, to Philippines, to stay together with my family.
Every Sunday, Filipino domestic workers gather in the city's central business district during their day off. One of them, Elizabeth Mendoza, said she wanted to apply for residency and bring her family to the city where she has worked for 17 years.
Easy to find a job and easy to do everything what you like. You are free, you have freedom. That's the reason.
After the latest hearing is completed on Thursday, February 28, the Court of Final Appeal will consider the case for several weeks before its decision. For People's Television, Leo Gatdula.